In this video, I will go over generator functions of JavaScript. You basically just type in function followed by a star and then the name of your generator. So I'll call it mygen. And then you can supply whatever parameters in these parentheses. In this case, I'll just leave it blank. Also, in the curly braces, you write the body of the generator. Now, the body of the generator is not executed immediately. It will execute when you call the next method of the generator. After calling next, the function body is executed until it encounters a line that says yield, basically like this. And then it'll return some value like 10 or whatever. And then the generator will stop at this line and return whatever value follows yield. And then it'll stop at that line. So let me create a variable here called I, and I'll set it to 0, and then I'll have yield I, and then yield plus I. So basically first line will return 0 and then this will return 1. So then I'll create another variable after the generator called gen, and then you'll create our generator. So when you call gen.next, this time the body of the generator will be executed. So it'll create this variable I, and then this yield I will return whatever value is contained by I. So it'll just return 0, and then the execution will stop at this place. It won't go to the second yield. So also you need to put the value property here to actually see the value being returned by the generator when you call next. So I'll do document.write, and then with this you should see 0. So if you save, and you should see 0 being displayed in the browser. As you can see here. Now if you put another next for the generator, now you should see 0 and 1. As you can see here. Now since we've reached the end of the line here, there's no other yield. This time it will return undefined. So let's say copy this and write this. So you should see 0, then 1, then undefined, because there's no other code after the second yield. So if you save this and open in your browser, you should see 0, 1 and undefined, as you can see here. Also note that let's say you had, instead of yield, put return. What return will do is it will return the value, whatever's there after the return, and then it'll also end the generator right there. So any further code you have after that will not run. So in our example here, it'll print out 0 for the first line, and the second line when it comes, since the generator has ended, it'll return undefined. So will the second. So it should do 0, undefined, undefined. If you save and open in your browser, you should see that. As you can see here, it displayed 0, then undefined for the second, next, and undefined again for the third. So that's pretty much it for function generators. If you have any questions or comments, do leave a comment below. If you like this video, then remember to subscribe. Thank you.